A weak acid is an acid that dissociates incompletely, releasing only some of its hydrogen atoms into the solution. It is less capable than a strong acid at donating protons. Strong acids release all of their hydrogen atoms when dissolving in water. Because of this, strong acids have a greater change in pH with equilibrium, because they have a faster rate to equilibrium. Weak acids have a smaller change in pH because they are slower to reach equilibrium.
A buffer is an aqueous solution with a highly stable pH. The solution is made by mixing a large volume of a weak acid or weak base together with its conjugate. When hydrogen ions are added to a buffer, they are neutralized by the base of the buffer. The hydroxide ions are neutralized by the acid. To begin the experiment, turn on the meter and wash off the probe with DI water. Before you can start the experiment, you must calibrate the meter. Obtain the 7 pH buffer and the 4 pH buffer and pour each of these into the respective beakers. Place the probe into the beaker with 7 pH buffer and click Calibrate. You will be doing a two-step calibration, so into the box on the left, put 7.00 and press Keep. Next, wash off the probe with DI water and put it into the 4 pH beaker. Plug 4.00 into the box on the right and push Keep.
For the last step in the calibration process, wash the probe off with DI water and place it back in the 7 pH buffer. Check the monitor to make sure that it goes to 7. This will show if you correctly calibrated the machine. Once you've calibrated your meter, you can move on to the actual experiment. To test the pH, simply place the meter into the solution, making sure the end is completely submerged. When the monitor has settled on a number, write it in your notebook and test the next substance. Make sure that you wash the probe off with DI water in between every liquid, to make sure you do not contaminate any solutions. It is also important to remember that the probe is not a stirring rod. If you use it to stir, you may break the glass at the end of the probe. When the experiment is done, remember to wash it off with DI water and place the small bottle back on the end. Remember to take the meter back to where you found it